Unlocking the Millionaire Mindset. Welcome to the journey of transforming your mindset into that of a millionaire. Today, we draw inspiration from two influential figures, Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and Andrew Tate, an entrepreneur and motivational speaker. They emphasize that becoming a millionaire isn't just about accumulating wealth. It's about cultivating a mindset that attracts success. Kiyosaki teaches us that financial education is critical. Understanding how money works and making it work for you is paramount. Meanwhile, Tate stresses the importance of resilience and confidence. Together, these elements form the foundation of a millionaire mindset. The power of financial education. Robert Kiyosaki insists that financial education is the cornerstone of wealth creation. Many people work hard for money, but few make money work for them. To develop a millionaire mindset, you must first educate yourself on financial literacy. Learn about investments, assets versus liabilities, and how to leverage debt effectively. Kiyosaki's concept of the cash flow quadrant highlights the different ways people earn income and the importance of moving from being an employee to becoming an investor or business owner. This shift in thinking is crucial for aspiring millionaires, as it opens the door to passive income streams and financial independence. Embracing confidence and resilience. Andrew Tate brings another critical aspect to the table, the power of confidence and resilience. In the pursuit of wealth, setbacks are inevitable. What differentiates successful individuals is their ability to bounce back stronger. Tate encourages you to cultivate a mindset where failure is seen as a learning opportunity rather than a defeat. Confidence comes from preparation and self-belief. By setting ambitious goals and unwaveringly pursuing them, you build the mental fortitude necessary to overcome obstacles. Remember, every millionaire was once an aspiring individual who refused to give up despite the odds. Building a network and taking action. One cannot underestimate the value of networking and taking decisive action. Both Kiyosaki and Tate highlight the importance of surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire and challenge you. Your network can provide valuable insights, opportunities, and support as you navigate your path to wealth. Moreover, having a millionaire mindset means being proactive. It's not enough to dream about success. You must take consistent action towards your goals. Whether it's investing in real estate, starting a business, or learning a new skill, each step you take brings you closer to your financial aspirations. Conclusion: the journey to wealth. In conclusion, embracing a millionaire mindset is a transformative journey that requires dedication, education, and perseverance. By integrating the teachings of Robert Kiyosaki and Andrew Tate, you can cultivate a mindset that not only seeks wealth, but also attracts it. Equip yourself with financial knowledge, embrace setbacks as stepping stones, build a supportive network, and most importantly, take action. Remember, the road to becoming a millionaire begins with a single step. Believe in yourself and your potential to create the life of abundance you desire.